It's in memory today of Brendan Dunnigan. Thank you all for coming. There's food, there's coffee, bagels, donuts, okay? Have some breakfast, and we'll get the grills going about 10:30 for some lunch. Thank you.
So my name is Tom Jabot, and that's my 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser. I've had it since 1981. I got it from the original owner, and it's got 57,000 original miles. It's all original paint, original interior. Top of the line Mercury. It's got all the Lincoln Continental options. Lincoln motor, power windows, power seats, air conditioning. It's got the seat that remembers, got the Wonder Bar radio, and it's got the back window that goes down. So it's a great car.
I have a 1965 Rambler Marlin. It's all original with 37,000 miles on it, and I found it in West Virginia after it sat in a Pennsylvania junkyard for 30 years in the shed. So it's all original.
Yeah.
And they only made in 2.5 years 17,000 cars total run. So it was in competition with the Ford Mustang, which made 500,000 cars. So you can imagine how rare these are in today's market. So
This motor has to be rebuilt.
enjoy looking at the car and have a good day.